This is the schedule of my free online chemistry workshop for February 2026. Is on February 2nd, 9th, and 23rd. We do not have workshop on February 16th. This is the time. Is 6 p.m. in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Manila. If you're from Seattle, that would be 2 a.m. We are going to cover a chapter in chemistry called atomic structure, and this is an important topic for you. There are some chemistry lessons that is coming from your secondary school that you need to revise. For example, this is the dot and cross diagram, or also called Lewis diagram for sodium. And whenever you are asked to draw this, your teacher asks you to group these electrons 2 by 2. Yeah? That space for the 2 electrons are called the orbitals. Why these 2 electrons are near to each other? You should ask this. Both of the electrons are negatively charged. So they're supposed to spread out. They're supposed to repel each other. Why you can group the 2 electrons together in one orbital? Right? We are going to explore this this question in this workshop. So please join. It's free. This is my Zoom link. The meeting number is 337-275-3433. We are going to use an online whiteboard. The online whiteboard is called Miro. Please download if you can on your tablet or iPad or handphone. If you don't have, then you can do it. You can use your laptop, but it's a bit difficult because you must use mouse. If you do it on the tablet, you can write using your fingers, or you can use stylus or Apple Pencil. This online whiteboard is very good. It's very interactive. You can write or draw your answer online, then I can see your answer. You can see my explanation also. Both of us can see it real time. Please book your seat by email. This is my email address, cecilsie@gmail.com, or WhatsApp me at this number, 65, that's the Singapore country code, 96281754. Please join if you can. Only 1 hour. That's it.